Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to ask you this question. Why do you think Satan is always attacking you? What do you think is the reason why Satan is always attacking you? Why is Satan always trying to do things to you, make you suffer? And if you go and think about this, you will know that Satan knows that there's something in your future. There's something in your future coming that he is trying to stop. You know, God made a lot of promises to us. And He promised us that we will prosper. He promised us that we will have a good life. And Satan will always try and take that away from us. And that's the reason why he always attacks us. He's trying to keep us away from God. He's trying to keep us away from the amazing things that God has promised us. So for today, I just want you to sit and think about God's promises and what you want God to do for you. Because God will do anything for us. He promised us in His word that He will give us anything our hearts desire. So today I want you to sit and think, what do you want from God in your future? And pray on that and believe that that will happen. And resist the devil. You know, when the devil wants to remind you of your past, remind him of his future. Also remind him of your future, of what God has promised for you and where you will end up at the end of the day. God can do amazing things, things that will leave you astonished, things that you won't even think is possible. The only thing God wants from us is to believe in Him and believe that He can do what He promised for us. So please, you guys, resist the devil today. Don't allow him to come and mess up your lives. Don't allow him to try and mess up your future. Because God has got an amazing future for you. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Goodbye.